totem pole is a key element on our cosmic space station. It is the world axis, Axis Mundi, linking the different worlds or levels of reality. The vision for our studio is a place where the various reality planes meet. Therefore, we have naturally called our place Axis Mundi Studio. The Axis Mundi is depicted around the world in different mythologies in various ways. A cosmic mountain, a pillar or a tree. In Nordic mythology and cosmology, it is an immense tree, Yggdrasil. Around the tree exist 9 worlds. The Axis Mundi is also the spine in the human body, telling us that each of us is actually the center of the universe. Finally, the totem pole is also a phallus symbol. On the highest point is the planetary and astrological symbol for Mercury. Mercury is to do with how one sees reality and communicates it. Like Hermes, Mercury is also a messenger of the gods, traveling like a shaman between the worlds. The tarot card, the Hanged Man, reminds us of the Buddha sitting under the Bodhi tree until he is enlightened. In Nordic mythology, it is the story of Odin hanging 9 days and nights on the cosmic tree, sacrificing himself to himself. It is the shaman's and the hero's journey, which is experienced as a descent into the underworld, where he goes through a powerful psycho-spiritual and bodily transformation. It culminates in a death rebirth experience that finally brings him to the upper world, where he is gifted with supernatural powers. This journey is the journey depicted in the 22 tarot cards of the Great Arcane. Many of our tracks will be connected to various levels on the Axis Mundi. On our first album, Rebirth, the 3rd track alone is connected to the lower part of the axis. The track is about being alone. A woman missing her lover that lives alone. A lonely old man with no family or child whose parents are fed up with their own business with no time for their youngling. Those in similar situations leads into the dark and need to be released and transformed. We have all tried such feelings. The Hanged Man and the story of the shaman, by some called the Wounded Healer, promise you that if you really dare to embark on the inner journey, follow your path, do what you're meant to do and fulfill your mission, you will be rewarded. So come along, do something good for yourself, join the adventure, buy our album and follow our video blogs, come and participate in our events and workshops. We will share with you and reveal secrets from beyond and inspire you to fulfill your deepest desires and dreams.